All right, cool beans. Welcome to the beginning of the week funnel and technical analysis. Um, I wanted to start out with the Forex Factory this week, being that Carmen's back home in Senegal. She won't be joining us for a while. The internet service there really sucks. So um, I will be filling in for her the best I can until she returns. So main thing that we have for tomorrow is CPI. We have month to month, year to year, and we have core CPI month to month. As you can see, all very high impact news coming out tomorrow morning, 8:30 a.m. New York market. So please, please, please govern your trades accordingly, please. I won't be trading ahead of CPI. I'll be waiting to see the numbers and how the market reacts to it. And I will be trading the PM session tomorrow. I'm going to more than likely demo trade it, but I would not be trading a live account ahead of it. I rarely ever do unless I just see something that's solid. If I see my model set up, then I'll take it and keep my risk management very, 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 very low. So keep that in mind for CPI tomorrow because there will be a lot of volatility in the market. Y'all know how CPI do. So hey man, if you go out there playing in those market streets, just make sure you got your strap in your hand and you got your armor because they're gonna be shooting. They're gonna be shooting hard too. So please safeguard yourself. All right, now with that out of the way, looking at technicals. So today we seen for the dollar that we had previous days buy side liquidity taken out.
I ain't trying to go.
Please mute your mic. Buy side liquidity taken out from yesterday. Sorry, I got thrown off for a second. So yeah, for DXY, we see that we had previous days buy side liquidity taken out today, right? We left sell side liquidity intact. This is our discount PD array for that range, for Friday's range. So now that we've ran buy side liquidity, I want to see if we pull back down into this PD array, this discount array. And I will be looking for my buy model that I shared in the group, my Grail buy model that I use to look for my setups. And if I see that setup within this discount array, then I'm taking it, no questions asked. So that's what I'm looking for. That is my bias for moving forward for tomorrow. I want to see these levels tested, and I want to see my model set up within these levels. If we break through these levels, then of course I will look for the retest of those levels and look for the sell model opposite of my buy model to set up within that range. Same thing. It's just flip-flop. And then I will take the sell down to sell side liquidity. Easy peasy. So with that being said, looking at Euro USD, and I'm only going to do Euro USD because I rarely look at currencies now, guys. But I rarely look at currencies now, but I still try to chart you guys. But looking at Euro USD will pretty much give you an idea of what GBP and EGP are doing. So So with that being said, looking at Euro USD, knowing that we're expecting DXY to push down and retest the discount rate to the downside, I am looking for Euro USD to run last Friday's buy side liquidity, because today we rent Friday's sell side liquidity, leaving Friday's buy side liquidity intact. So depending on what price action gives us throughout the rest of Asian markets tonight going into London, I want to see if we come back down and retest today's high that we set. And if we respect this high, then I'll be looking for markets to run up and run Friday's buy side liquidity. But like I said, keep in mind we do have CPI tomorrow 8:30. So I will not be trading ahead of that. If I do, it'll be in a demo account. I won't be trading live until the PM session. Um, so with that being said, um, looking at metals, silver ran Friday's sell side liquidity, left buy side liquidity intact. If the dollar gives us that push down to that discount array, then I'm looking for silver to run today's high that we set today and potentially run up and run Friday's buy side liquidity. And same thing for gold. I want to see us run today's buy side liquidity. We ran today's we ran Friday's sell side liquidity for gold today, leaving the buy side liquidity intact. So if the dollar pushes down and retests that um, discount array, and retests that discount array, my internet's going in and out, guys. Give me a second. All right. As I was saying, if the dollar pushes down and retests that discount rate, then we expecting gold to run up and take out buy side liquidity. Let me see, 1870. Yeah, so I want to see us run up, take out today's buy side liquidity if the dollar gives us that push down. If not, if the dollar pushes up, then we'll be looking for gold to come down and take out this sell side liquidity from January the 5th side of this imbalance that we have here. That's if the dollar gives us a bullish move. Um, Looking at oil ran Friday's buy side liquidity today. We left that sell side liquidity intact. Um, let's see if we let me see. This, this, new buy side, new sell side. Uh, mark that range. Mark your PD arrays. Okay. So first we see how price action react to these PD arrays. And if we see, um, price come up and respect this, and then we see a push down, fair value gaps form. Basically, we start looking for our models to set up. What I will look for is my sell model to set up inside of here, which will be yeah, fair value gaps up in here. So you just have to start breaking it down and looking for bear with me. Going in and out. So first, I want to see how we react to this level. If we respect that, then I'm going to look for us to push down to take out sell side liquidity. Um, so let me go back to yeah. So that's what I want to see out of all. See if we retest that discount array and how we react to that discount array. Looking at U30 today, we ran buy side liquidity, leaving sell side liquidity intact from Friday's low. So now I want to see if we push back down into the discount array. And let me go back to all. Let me show y'all some. So this would be selling at a premium. So when you hear PD array means premium array, and the P stands for premium and the D stands for discount. And when we're looking to sell, we're selling at a premium. So that's what the P stands for in PD array. So this is a premium array. And then looking at when we're looking to buy, we're looking to buy at a discount. So that's what the D stands for in PD array, discount array. So I just wanted to make that clear for you guys so you'll have a proper understanding of what that means. So for U30, I want to see us come down into this discount array and see how we react to that discount array. Now, we could very well just blow through today's buy side liquidity and target these fairly equal highs here, which we probably will do throughout the rest of Asia and going into London tonight. Um, However, I want to see how price action reacts to CPI. So I'm not interested in doing anything until CPI numbers come out and the market shows its hand. But I do want to see us pull down in here. If we do pull down in here, and I will start looking for my models to start setting up inside of this discount array. Um, yeah. So looking at crypto, last but not least, y'all already know we came back down to filled in this imbalance. So now I want to see some aggressive movement to the upside if we can break back above this market structure, or if we're going to respect this market structure and come on down to retest the fair value gap to the downside below this market structure. Um, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Same thing for Ethereum. Same thing for Ethereum. Um, We done filled in this imbalance. So let's see if we push back up to retest the bottom of this fair value gap here. And if we respect it, we'll more than likely come back down to fill in the rest of this imbalance here in this remaining fair value gap that we have. Within this fair value gap, if we respect this and we come back lower, the next point of interest will be inside this fair value gap, these two red lines right here for Ethereum. And I bought more 8 here. I told you guys that Friday, I think. And if we come back down to 420, I will buy more here. But I am expecting us to come back up and retest the market structure that we just broke through here this low. So that's what I got for the beginning of the week technical, y'all. And like I said, keep your eyes out. CPI month to month, CPI year to year, core CPI month to month, 8:30 a.m. New York Eastern Standard Time in the morning. You govern your trades accordingly. I'm not going to tell you what to do, how to trade your account. All I can tell you is what I'm going to be doing and from my experience. So, from my experience, you don't want to be in the market ahead of CPI. So, that'll do it for the beginning of the week, fundamental and technical analysis. At this time, I'll stop the share and the recording and taking